Hello dear students, welcome to social science class. Chapter number 5, Continents and Oceans. It's for class 5th, part 7. Okay student, see here, in previous part we have completed about Asia continent and Africa continent. Asia continent is the fourth largest continent in the world, and also it has three sides water, some oceans, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and also it has Pacific Ocean. Some features also are there here. Some Mount Everest, it is the highest peak in the world. It located in the Asia continent. And Dead Sea is the lowest point, and Gobi Desert is the cold desert, and some Arabian deserts are the hot desert. It has the features of Asia. And afterwards Africa. Africa is the second largest desert. Africa is the second largest continent in the world. And this continent has the three sides of water bodies, the Mediterranean Sea on the north, and next the Indian Sea to the east, the Atlantic Sea on the west. Some prominent features are there. That features, Sahara Desert, it is the world's largest desert. Nile River, it has the world's longest river in the world. And Victoria Falls, it has also longest, means it is the largest waterfall. And highest peak also located in this continent, Africa continent, that is Mount Kilimanjaro. In earlier, this continent calling that dark continent. And today's topic is there. It is the third largest continent is North America. North America is the third largest continent, and also it has, so after this coming Asia and Africa. Asia is the first continent and Africa is the second continent. After this, North America. It is the third largest continent. And see here, it is also surrounded by the Arctic, Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, and it is next the Pacific Ocean. The Arctic Ocean situated in the north and the Atlantic Ocean in the east, and it is in the west, and it has the Rocky Mountains, and also it has the isthmus of Panama. So it is connected to North America and South America. See here, I am explaining first this one. See here student, North America, it is the third largest continent after the Asia and Africa. So it has three sides of water bodies. So that water bodies are there here, the Arctic Ocean at the north, the Atlantic Ocean in the east, the Pacific Ocean in the west. So this lake in three sides has the water bodies, and it has rocky mountains. And Isthmus of Panama, it connects to the Panama is connected to the North America and South America. NA means North America, SA means South America. And also see here student, some points are there next. So next point is very important. The Bering Sea. The Bering Sea, it separates from, see here, it separates from Asia from the in the west, Asia in the west, okay. And next point is there here, Denali. It is formerly known as Mount McKinley. Mount McKinley is the highest peak. It is the highest peak in North America continent. And USA, Canada, Mexico. USA, Canada and Mexico are the countries or the important countries on this continent. North America, the Bering Sea, the sea, it is the name of sea, Bering. It separates that from Asia from the west. From the west side, it separates from this sea. And next, Denali, it is also known as Mount McKinley. Mount McKinley is the highest peak in the North America. And also some USA, Canada and Mexico are the countries, important countries in North America. Understood student? Today's topic about North America. So once again I am explaining. North America is the third largest continent after the Asia and Africa. And it has the three sides water bodies, the Arctic Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean and the Pacific Ocean. The Arctic Ocean situated on the north, the Atlantic Ocean situated at the east and the Pacific Ocean situated at the west. And see here, it has the Rocky Mountains and the Bering Sea separates from the Asia continent on the west side. And Denali is also known as Mount McKinley. Mount McKinley is the highest peak in the North American continent. And some important countries are there here. USA, Canada and Mexico. Okay students, I hope you all are understood today's topic about North America and you make it points, and next I am continuing next class. Okay, so next topic I am continuing in next class now. Thank you.